बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारे साथ हैं ब्रिगेडियर रिटायर्ड अख्तर नवाज़ जंजुआ साहब। लिखते भी हैं, तकरीबन 20 के करीब इंग्लिश की बुक्स उन्होंने लिखी हुई हैं, 10 के करीब उर्दू में बुक्स हैं। पाकिस्तान आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में एक लंबे अरसे तक आपने सर्व किया है पूरे पाकिस्तान के अंदर, लेकिन उनकी जो अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशन है रिगार्डिंग पाकिस्तान एट दिस मोमेंट कि क्या हमें तब्दीली चाहिए, क्या हमें करना चाहिए, व्हाट इज़ द स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर एट दिस मोमेंट, उस पर उन्होंने क्या एक आर्टिकल छोटा लिखा। मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो आप भी सुनिए सर।
Thank you very much. The caption of the article is August 1947 to May 2026, a long journey. We have travelled far, look around, much has changed, both good and bad, but the worst overall outweighs the good. Corruption has eaten into the state. It's not a branch or department anymore. It is the air we breathe in every government office. Injustice shakes the very ground under our feet. It hits the foundation of our rights and the little civility we still pretend to have. Look at the roads. Every morning brings a new circus. The traffic police stops a biker, a trucker, someone driving an old vintage car. They do not speak, they shout. They do not request, they delay. Respect extinct. People dread visiting any official LAs, police station or welfare office. It does not matter because all are forces, not services. No one with self-respect wants to walk through those doors. Go in as a citizen, come out feeling like a slave or a beggar. Nothing moves without bribe. Want to transfer a few yards of land? Pay the low revenue staff at least 3% of the district collector rate. Else your papers sit on a dusty shelf forever. Civil servants, administrators, monitors, facilitators all sail in the same boat. They were not born or inducted with that. The system makes them this way and no one tries to change it. Governance, they say it still exists in the old colonizing past. In the former colonies, it is a ghost. Hear its name, never see it. Everything is inverse. What should go up stays down. What should be fair is crooked and there is no light in the tunnel. Not for a long time, not in the foreseeable future. People have no stake in this system. No one owns the power corridors. Those who sit there do not belong to masses, who only face coercion, taste humiliation, and lose pride bit by bit. This slumbering conscience inside us needs to wake up. The journey from 1947 to 2026 has been long enough. Let's not let it end in darkness. अल्लाह ताला ने फरमाया सुरात में आयत 11 में कि अल्लाह ताला किसी कौम की हालत को उस वक़्त तक नहीं बदलता जब तक वो अपने औसाफ खुद न बदले।
ब्रिगेड साहब, वो जो लॉ ऑफ जंगल है, प्लीज, that is exactly as per realist school of thought that we are living in an anarchic system.
Okay, the next one is saw a picture about jungle, and the reel about animal kingdom I have named it Inferences and Takes. The jungle and the law of jungle. Background, pedigree, history, no object. Just learn early that nothing comes without cunning, connections, conniving, and compromises. Must harbor ambition, have an insatiable desire to be an alpha, understand the value of killing, tainting, painting, maiming, and taming. ये मैं उस कार्ड की बात कर रहा हूँ जो उसका भाई होता है, जो मफासा को मारता है. Watch those who do it. Decide early that you would do too. Achieve bare minimum standards to be convinced that being alpha is the only ladder out. Pass the test, put on show to become worthy. Remember that training is a forge. Be broken and built again. Learn to take and give. Ignore humiliation and pain to gain. Observe and study jungle to register the new panorama of control and order. Bright chances open to those who work the jungle. Pay heed and process each and every detail. The jungle has a long history. Study the past adventures of the old Mafasas. Dissect all and sundry about those who had done it before you. Analyze their moves. Industry pushes, pulls, conformism, make most stand out. Wait patiently. The path to elevation opens step by step. Once there, show the true way. Total brute power. The stock must learn to fear the clans. Ensure that they are bought or taught. They shall bow too hard. Frighten them. They shall not raise an eyebrow and comply. The machinery of the jungle shall be subdued. All will bend single wise. Never ask. Just tell. No holds barred. Anything goes. Subjugate with brutality. Subject dissent to public humiliation. The mantra is simple. All that is mine. Have no fear of consequences. See that nothing can take you. No pressure from the outside or inside should move you. Good that no precedent of a conviction of fallen Mufasa exists. The recipe has always been there, the same. To be the alpha, resort to anything and everything. The musical chair stuff shall go on and on. Old dump, new ones take the place. The saddle stays, and the alpha in the saddle must keep sitting under the next one pushes him out, and then that one sits too. So jungle remains jungle. The law of jungle. But बवक्ते शाम सूरज से हुकूमत छीन लेता है, सुबह होते ही सितारों से क़यादत छीन लेता है. करीने सीख लो उसकी ज़मीन पे चलने फिरने के, तब तकब्बुर करने वालों से वो दौलत छीन लेता है. हर एक दाने में उसके फैज़ की मोजज़ा नुमाई है, नवालों से भी नाकदरों वो लज्जत छीन लेता है. बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलती है ये दौलत नेक नामी की, ज़रा सा डगमगा जाओ तो इज़्ज़त छीन लेता है. बचा लेता है कश्ती को कभी तूफ़ान के निर्गों से, कभी साहिल पे तैराकों से हिम्मत छीन लेता है. उसी के अदल पर कायम है हर तारीख़ इंसानी, वो कम ज़रफ़ों से अवाने हुकूमत छीन लेता है. सबक ले तू असर तारीख़ हिजरत की शहादत से, वो अक्सर आँख वालों से बसारत छीन लेता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
And,
very much, sir.